Mason, I said no. Mason, no jumping. The babies are tough. Penny.
Sorry.
All right, give me the gun. Hand it over.
Okay.
You might not want to. Oh, that's cool.
I'll back up.
Make him like a bigger deck out in front of him. Give me the gun. Yeah.
What?
They're done. All they've done is gotten you into trouble all day.
So yeah, they're there in the pool. I am going to come down here. You saw my two of my cousins, the others are my brothers and stuff like that. And I'm going to you saw my cousin Alex. It's in the hot tub. I can show you Pickles right now. Yeah, that's Pickles. That's Pickles. I don't know if you can see in there or not. Yeah, there's the garage. Inside my cousin's house. Yeah, I'm gonna pause it for a second and see what a button does. Well, it didn't do anything, so, yeah, I'm gonna go back up on the pool deck, taking a video. That's what?
Jack Logan.
Huh?
What are you doing, Jack Logan?
Nothing.
Jack.
Taking a video, I told you.
Of me.
Yeah. Okay.
What?
Okay.
You're Tony.
Watch this, I'm gonna go on video, okay? Mommy, Mom, this is my car. Right here, Mama. It's yellow thing. Alright, turn around.
Oh, we lost the diaper. Oh, I thought you put that. No, I guess not. I was holding my hand.
Bubba, watch this.
Naked baby!
Yep, he lost his diaper.
Hey, I haven't been naked at my pool yet. You beat me to it. You beat me to it. Hey,
Oh, what are you talking about?
hey, look at me.
Kevin's talking to you.
Look at me. You can't do it, can you? You can't do it, can you?
That's what I think. I'm looking at you, Uncle Kevin. Huh. Look at his farmer's stand. He's pale as it is, and then he's got the farmer's stand to go with it. She's playing when we get over here back.
Bubba, watch this. Bubba, watch this. Do you need me to move?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't do it. Matt's the one who took her off. I showed him my black bluebird.
I say you just throw her in, and if she sinks, she sinks. But don't go after her after she jumps right in. Let's see if she can figure it out.
Kenna.
That'd be fine if she just went in the rain.
McKenna. I see you, Kyle.
McKenna, can you
I see you.
McKenna.
No, McKenna, I want to ask you something.
But she was nowhere near right. L-A-U-G T-I-E-S.
No water
She's
for
in the
Mason.
benefits fellow. No, that is definitely not her area of expertise.
No water.
Drives me crazy. They're only $12 to $14. They're not bad. But they might charge.
Kyle, I'm watching you.
He also has to remember that usually is pretty much all I think. White drive.
Mommy wants.
Italian place.
Well, I believe other stuff I've eaten there. They used to, when I worked at the hospital,
Excuse me.
my brother used to bring them to me.
Excuse me. Baba, watch this. Mason, move up. Move, Mason. McKenna. Speeding. Hi, Kenna. Hey.
You're going to drop that in the pool. Yeah, you need to get away from the pool.
Okay.
I'm the sea monster! I'm gonna go and get in a hot tub. Yes, we're gonna get a hot tub.
Just a minute, Hank, but I think you need to get that tablet off the school deck.
I'm not going to be responsible for when you drop that tablet.
I'll stand back here.
You know how cold it is, Baba?
It is cold. I felt it.
Baba, watch this. You should see how cold the hot tub is. Whenever you open your eyes on the water. Come on, Mason. We're gonna go in the
There's
hot
Chloe.
You'd be better with steps or ramps.
Watch your face wherever I do this.
Yeah, just one little step or a short ramp.
What?
What can you help me? I'm gonna go in the hot tub.
Step on the stool.
It's going to be the step off.
I can't.
Why?
I can't open the door yet.
Okay, I'm gonna pause this and then I'll help her in the pool. Hot tub, I mean. We'll be right back. Okay? So we're back and I got her in the hot tub. We'll sit here and watch her. See what she does.
I'm really taking a picture.
It's not a picture. It's a video. I'm sorry about the moving around.
Hot tub.
I want to fix this real quick. There you go. I just had it in the wrong place. So yeah, you can see the American flag over there. She's gone. She's come back. So yeah. And what? Yeah, and I'm gonna soon end this and stuff so I can get this uploaded and stuff so it doesn't take forever. Okay, so I'm gonna sign off for a little. I'll see you all see you guys in a little bit.